Hello everyone, and welcome back to the AcuPower channel. This is Tamara, and today we are diving into the brand new Acumatica Modern UI 25R2, a cleaner, faster, and smarter way to work in Acumatica ERP. And here is the big news. Modern UI is now the default. Yep, the classic UI is still there if you need it, but the sleek new design is officially front and center. So, ladies and gentlemen, grab your coffee, kick back, and let's dive into the dashboard, drag and drop personalization, and all the little UI tweaks that make 25R2 a real game changer. Ready? Let's dive right in. When you log in, you'll notice right away that the modern UI is the new default experience. It's faster, cleaner, and much more intuitive to navigate. You don't have to switch manually anymore, it's the standard view for everyone. Now notice how screens open faster and transitions are smoother. So, no long reloads, no jumps, everything just flows naturally. And you don't worry because the classic UI isn't gone, it's just no longer the default. So if your team still uses it, you can switch anytime. I think that you'll agree with me that visually Acumatica feels fresh. Pay attention to how much cleaner everything looks, wider spacing, better grouping, and modern typography, so the sections like billing or general information are easier to read now. Each area has a bit more breathing room. It's a subtle change in design, but it still makes your workday a lot easier. Okay, this is one of my favorite updates, screen personalization. Now you can adjust the layout to fit the way you work. No coding is needed here, no customization project, just a few clicks. Let's say I want to add the customer tag zone up here, under the customer field. I just need to drag and drop it under the customer field. Now, let's hide the project field. It's easy. Click the I button, apply to all, preserve, and there it is. My own customized layout is ready. It's simple, it's easy, it's clean, and it works exactly the way I want. Another exciting addition that doesn't require coding in 25R2 is the new Generic Inquiry Query Language, or GIQL. The advanced option in GIs makes building reports and data views so much easier, even if you are not technical. You can pull data from different sources, combine it, and create powerful GIs without needing a developer. Basically, it gives everyone the ability to explore and analyze data freely. No coding is required. Side panels are one of those small changes that save you tons of time. Now many forms and GIs include built-in side panels for related data, like customer info, shipments, or payments. So watch this. I can open a sales order and right here on the side I can get all the related data. No need to open a new window or lose my place. Everything is just where I need it. So this is fast and this is efficient. Dashboards got a serious glow up. They load faster, look sharper, and let you customize on the fly. Let's add a quick widget called Sales by Region. I can resize it, change its color, and apply a filter instantly. No lag, no reload, just fluid, responsive changes. I also can drag and drop it anywhere I want on my board. It feels more like a real workspace now than just a static page. Another thing I love about the modern UI is that now it adapts perfectly to any device. Let's shrink the window to see how the layout adjusts automatically depending on the device. The menus collapse. The side panels shift. Everything is really seamless. So whether you're in the office or out in the field, Acumatica looks absolutely great everywhere. Dashboards can now adapt based on user roles. That means each team member gets exactly what they need and nothing they don't. As an admin, I see company-wide dashboards. All of them are available for me. But if I switch to sales role with another user, I'll see different dashboards, different data. And even if I see some dashboards not related to my role, I won't be able to view them. So it's smart, it's personal, and it keeps everyone focused on what matters. Data grids in 25R2 are faster, more flexible, and they give you a lot more control when you are working with large sets of records, like here in the sales orders GI. Let's say I want to look at orders by customer on the sales orders GI. I can just use the customer column up here, pick the customer I need from the list, and Acumatica instantly groups all orders by that customer. You can easily add or remove quick column filters and even save your favorite filtering combinations for the next time. This is super handy if you work with the same view often. Filtering is really smarter now. You can apply advanced filters combining multiple conditions. And it's all instant. No refresh, no waiting. These updates make reviewing, sorting, and analyzing your data much faster and a lot more intuitive. Even the little things got better, like error messages, warnings, and alerts are now cleaner and more visible. See that? Instead of a vague pop-up, Acumatica highlights the exact field and the exact tab that needs your attention. It's clear, it's quick, and it keeps you moving. Well, that was your tour of the modern UI in Acumatica 25R2. It's faster, cleaner, and more intuitive than ever. Truly a big leap forward in usability. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn your notifications on so you don't miss the next AcuPower videos. Until then, happy exploring, and may your business thrive with Acumatica ERP. See you in the next video.